amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. That's the pot for everyone to use tonight. Because without the pot, we're not gonna do nothing. The pot is a must. Alright? So we have to use the pot and do something fantastic tonight. A good advice. all right, people, yes. So the cooker is on, and we're going to show you guys how we normally do it in the kitchen at night. All right. So 1 cup of hot water. We're using a large cup. All right. That's a very large cups of hot water. We still love our product, pimento seed. All right, pimento seed. We still love pimento seed, and that's one of my favorite. I always use it every time. A good vibes. All right. Yeah, man. Cloves. We're always using cloves. See them there? Because we're using roughly about 1.5 cups of water. Is a very large cup I'm using. So a good vibes. We're gonna get a piece of a ginger and get that ginger into it. So that's the first thing you wanna do. Alright, yeah man, that's the first thing you want to do. Every night we do this. Over the last few nights we have been doing this on an amazing, incredible recipe. Alright, good vibe. So we're going to get a piece of ginger and grate that ginger. A lot of people don't know that ginger is Jamaican medicine. Alright, look at that. This is not normal, guys. Look at that. You see that? That's the ginger right there. So the water look a little bit orangey. That means that it's good Jamaican ginger. Yeah. Good Jamaican ginger. So powerful Jamaican ginger, guys. Alright, so we got all of those ingredients. Yeah, man. So you can see all of these ingredients. This is the purple onion. Some people call it red onion. All right, put these into the water. Yeah, man. That is what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Very powerful. So a lot of people is asking me, can I use the purple one or the red one? And the question is yes, guys, you can use it. All right. Yeah, man, I can use it and be happy with it, honestly. And this is more better on the blue pill. Right, see that? Look at that, guys. So we're gonna get some garlic and we're gonna put 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3. 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah. And that is excellent recipe for you guys to be using at home. Okay. Yeah, man. Lots of people keep asking me, oh, Chef Ricardo, can I use the purple onion? And the question is, yes, you can use it. All right. Yeah. So, all right. Just to let you guys know that these ingredients is very effective and very powerful. And I will encourage you to use them at home between winter, summer, spring, whatever time you can use these ingredients. All right, so the ingredients right here, we have 3 medium-sized garlic, all right, into the water. That's the garlic right there. Garlic is powerful. Garlic is like antibiotic. That's Jamaican medicine. Lots of people don't know that one. This is pimento seed. Lots of people don't know nothing about Jamaican pimento seed. If you grew up with your grandmother, you will understand what is pimento seed. All right. Ginger. If you grew up with your grandmother, you will understand what is ginger. Ginger is effective, and ginger is good for gas, and ginger is good for morning sickness. Especially if you go out and come back in late, you drink this. You know what that mean? All right. Then we got cloves. See there? Cloves is very powerful. A lot of Asian use it. Special spice. Most people use it in Christmas, but I use it straight through the year. Purple onion. Here it is. Use up the purple onion as much as you can, guys. Okay? Very effective. We're not boiling it. We are drying it. We're going to use some honey also inside of it. Remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, on Amazon. Good vibes. People, you guys can see exactly what's going on. So you guys can see, look at that. We're not drying, we're not boiling it. We are just simple dry it to use it to make a cup of tea tonight. 1 medium-sized purple onion into the water. And that's all of the effective what you're getting right there. See that? Perfect. 100% perfect. Alright, guys. Just to let you guys know that if you don't know what this is all about, I'm going to tell you this. This is fantastic and an amazing. Alright? Yeah. So you guys can see all that looking fantastic and an amazing. Look at that. That is just perfect. And honestly, it is one of those ones which you'll definitely want to make. So we got the ginger in it, and we got the pimento seed and the cloves, and there's some garlic inside of it, and some purple onion. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book. Good vibes. People, this is one of those recipes which I want to talk about every time. And I will encourage you to do this at home. Look at those seeds. These are the seeds. Alright. These are all of the ingredients which we've been using. Very effective and very powerful. Look at that. Excellent one from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Hope you guys will enjoy it, love it. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description. You don't know the thing already. But always I give you the best recipe as much as I can. It is weekend, guys, and whatever you're doing on the weekend, stay blessed. Look after yourself and look after your health. You don't know the thing already. I always have to keep you guys updated with every one of the recipes as much as we can. All right, get yourself a copy of the book. Good advice. Yeah, man, the energy for this is powerful, guys. Yeah, man. Maureen, big up yourself. Turn off the cooker and let it simmer for a bit. Look at that. Excellent one. All right, from Chef Ricardo. Guys, please. All right. So what you do? Pour it off. All right. So what I normally do, I normally drink this in the morning. I left back some and drink it in the morning. And I'm going to tell you guys, it is amazing when you drink this in the morning. First thing in the morning, I just put those garlic back inside of it. 3 cloves of garlic. Alright. Cloves. And all them pimento seed and thing. Yeah. Yeah. I normally drink it in the morning. Rick, big up yourself. Oh yes. Yeah, man. And now I'm gonna drink it in the morning. So what I wanna do is get some honey. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. Get some honey. 2 teaspoons of honey. And just give it a little bit of mix. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is proper tea where you guys can also drink in the morning, in the evening, whatever time you want to drink it, you just drink it. All right. So here it is. We're gonna pour it off a large cup like this. And then the rest, I leave it till in the morning. The garlic, but just put the garlic them inside of it like this. All right. Yeah, man. So you guys can see exactly what I've been doing. So look at that. That is excellent and an amazing. 100%. All right, guys. A good vibes, people. So the ingredients is right over here with Chef Ricardo. You don't know anything, but always I keep you guys updated with a lot of different kind of things. Put this inside of it. Alright, then what you can do, pour some hot water upon it. Roughly about another cups of hot water.
Now, you see, these are the leftover ingredients where we use already, but you can soak this overnight. All right, yeah, and simple. Cover it like this, and then in the morning you just lukewarm it and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, yeah, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about right there. Beautiful recipe, simple, but also effective.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign. Taste